Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets on your PC step by step. This is a quick and easy way to create a sequence of dates without typing each one manually. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet where you want to autofill dates. Next, click on the cell where you want the date sequence to begin. Type the starting date and press Enter. If you want to change the date format, click on the cell containing the date. Then click Format at the top of the screen. Hover over Number, then choose Custom Date and Time or select another date format that you prefer. For this example, I'll keep the default date format. Now click on the cell with the date again. Move your cursor to the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Click and hold the blue square, then drag it down or across the cells where you want the dates to appear. Release the mouse button. Google Sheets will automatically fill the remaining cells with consecutive dates. You can continue dragging the fill handle to create a longer series of dates whenever you need. And that's it. You've successfully auto-filled dates in Google Sheets on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.